Do you know that you can promote your Fiverr business outside of Fiverr? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bring clients to Fiverr and increase your income. Before we get started, I'm Kevin. I produce content on making money online, computer tech tips, and freelancing. If you love this topic, subscribe now so that you don't miss when I upload videos like this. So, let's learn how you can increase your Fiverr sales with your blog or website. When you log into Fiverr, you need to go to the More tab and select Scale Your Business. The first section you see here is Fiverr Anywhere. This is where you need to generate a custom offer for your clients. So, what you need to do is click on Generate Custom Offers. As you can see, there's a description. You need to describe what gig you're offering or what service you're offering, and then select the gig that corresponds with what you're offering. Then the price, the number of delivery days, okay, and when the offer will expire. So for me, I can choose, maybe I want to promote this screencast gig, so I can select it. And then for the description, I normally love putting the same description as my gig. So you need to go to your gig and select the description that you have there and put it here. For example, you may go here to gigs, open in new tab, come here, select your gig, say preview, then go to your gig description. Then you can select your gig description and then just copy, go back, and then post it here in the description. Then you need it to put in the price, the number of delivery days, and then when do you want this custom offer to expire. So for me, I can say 30 days. Whenever you are done, what you need to do is submit offer. And here you get two links. The first one is your custom offer that is ready, and then a second link that you can embed in your website or your blog. So whatever link that you have, just select the link, go copy it. You can go and paste it in your blog or in your website for you to be able to promote the service that you're offering. You can also share this link across social media like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So I've copied the link. I want to see if the link is working. You can paste it there. And this is how the link is going to appear to your client. Okay. So it has the description of what I'm offering, and it shows my name and my picture, and it shows them when, the duration to deliver, and how much it is. And then it has the proceed to payment. So when a client clicks here, he's taken automatically to Fiverr and is able to purchase your gig. Remember, the description is the one which sells to the client. So if the description works, you have an order. If you find that the description is not working, you are able to change it later on. Okay. The second section you have here is create your badge. As you can see on the left side here, there is a badge about my gig. Now with this badge, you can use the badge and put it on your website, either on the widget side, whereby when anybody comes into your website, he or she may be able to purchase a gig or check out your gigs when possible. Now you can put this badge most of the time in your portfolio section or even in your front page, so that when visitors visit, they may be able to find the badge. So what you need to do is just copy this link, which is an HTML link, and go and embed it inside your website. And the third section that we have is share your profile. Now this is a link to your profile, whereby you can just copy it and go and share it to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Now these are the three ways that you can embed links to your website that can make clients click on the links and purchase an order from you. All these are going to be customized to your clients so that whenever they click, the only thing they can do in your profile is to purchase an order for you. There's a second way that you can use to even attract clients from your blog, and that second way is writing articles that improves clients' business. And you can do this by hyperlinking your Fiverr gig or hyperlinking your custom offers. Okay, so what you do is, for example, you are a writer and you write for IT companies, or you write IT related niches. So what you need to do is you write an article that targets IT companies, that shows how they can improve their business. And inside the article, you may write a section whereby you are able to hyperlink your gig in the article. So if you do this like twice within an article, you'll be having visitors from your website who will be clicking to go to your Fiverr gig. And that's how they may be able to purchase a gig from you. I think this is also another strategy that you can use, and it is very beneficial for those who have a blog or a website. So guys, I'll be doing more of these Fiverr tutorials, so watch out for the next video, and remember to subscribe, remember to like this video, and also share this video. See you in the next video.